I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near, in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares through. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me.
Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna give, never gonna give, never gonna give you up. Never gonna give, never gonna give. Never gonna give, never gonna give, never gonna give you up. Never gonna give, never gonna give.
Guys, I bought another parts car. It's a 2018 A6 that was rolled over. There isn't a single body piece on here that isn't damaged. This is a complete total parts only car. Nobody in their right mind would ever think about fixing this. But that's okay, because I bought it for the underbody plastics, which it has most of. Some were damaged, some weren't on it, so that's okay. And it's got plenty of other good parts I can pull off it and sell and get my money back for what this thing cost me. I spent $1,000 on buying underbody protection for the A6. $1,000. What I got was the bottom radiator deflector shield, the two sides, two bumper guides, and both front fender liners. This was $1,000, and I was not done. And I believe the passenger fender liner is ripped. One of the holes was ripped. I know that wasn't a description. Well, here are the parts I pulled off the parts A6 today, and they're all going on this car. We have the full right side underbody plastics, a bunch of little plastics, metals, plastics, hood latches, plastics under the fenders, horns, plastic guides that hold the front bumper, and passenger fender lines. So one of the fender lines I buy I actually don't need. I'm going to see if I can return it and get most of my money back. But this isn't even everything. I still need more plastics, still need more pieces, but I'm going to install what I have today. And I think there's a big difference between $1,000 and the $1,800 parts car, which I still have plenty of parts to take off of. And I've already begun selling some parts, and I've already sold $70 parts. So not much, but I've only had it for a day or two. So the car in air here, we're gonna start putting the side skirt on this side, and we're gonna put the underbody protection plastic. Here she is, fully done. I don't have any more video working on her, unfortunately, but this is basically almost the final product. And she came out really well. I do have an S6 badge on the grill. It came with the grill. I'm trying to find something that I could replace it with.
Wrong today, eh? Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say, eh? To say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose